Hi guys. I had a patient ask me the day before yesterday why I decided to hyper focus on rhinoplasty and facial rejuvenation. And there's many ways of looking at this. When I first started practice, I was doing everything. I was doing head and neck cancers. I was doing microvascular surgery. I was doing cranial base surgery. I was doing facial trauma, all of this at a high level. So it's possible to do everything. But for me, there came a time that I realized, okay, the fields are advancing. All fields are moving forward with a rapid pace. And it humanly was impossible for me to keep up and excel at every single surgery. It just couldn't happen. It wasn't possible. So I ended up noticing that I'm doing everything at a moderate to very good level. Some not so well, and I dropped those, and some better. And over time, I kept on dropping more and more and more procedures and focused on things that I was passionate about: rhinoplasty and facial rejuvenation, so facial aesthetic surgery, deep plane facelifts, blepharoplasty, eyelid surgery, things like this. And don't get me wrong, there are plenty of colleagues who can do it all, who can be amazing at all of these procedures all at once. That's just not me. For me, I need to be able to be hyper-focused on 1 to 5 things, do it at the highest level to be able to keep up, excel, and stay at the forefront of the advancements in those fields. And to be able to do them over and over and over, not to do, one case here, and then because I have so many other cases of different things, the next one would be 2, 3 weeks from now. I need to be able to focus. So in my practice, between deep plane facelifting, blepharoplasty, lip lifts, rhinoplasty, etc., I probably do the same procedures 5 to 8 times a week. And that allows me to identify little things, not necessarily big things that are in textbooks, but I used this suture once, and next time I use this other suture. And look, the result was better. Let's switch to that. And you just get to hone your skills more and more and more, at least in my case, and focus in and be able to do it at a higher level. Yes, you can be an athlete in all sports, or you can pick your sport. That's my take on that. Have a great day.